Flat tire? Dead battery? Picture this. You are running late, the engine will not turn over, and help is miles away. Today, I will show 5 jump starters that stop roadside panic in its tracks. Compact power banks for glove boxes, workhorse jump boxes for garages, and high-output packs for heavy rigs. I will break down who each model is best for, explain safety features that actually matter, and show which pick gives the best mix of portability, power, and value. Whether you drive a commuter car, a work truck, an RV, or a tractor, by the end you will know which jump starter turns a stressful breakdown into a quick, confidence-restoring fix. Stay with me, these are the models real drivers trust and the ones your emergency kit should not be without. Number 1. NOCO GB70 is the compact powerhouse you want when space is limited but reliability is essential. This 2000-amp lithium jump starter will start engines up to 8.0-liter gasoline and 6.0-liter diesel, delivering up to 40 starts per charge. What sets the GB70 apart is ultra-safe technology. Patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection make connections virtually foolproof, so accidental mistakes will not become disastrous. At only 5 pounds and with a glove box-friendly form factor, it pairs high discharge lithium performance with true portability, perfect for commuters and families. The unit doubles as a portable power bank with a 5,000 mAh battery to recharge phones and tablets, plus a USB output for emergency charging. A 400-lumen integrated LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, provides useful illumination when you are roadside at night. Its IP65 rated housing and rubberized overmolding protect against dust, water, and impact. Heavy-duty clamps ensure efficient energy transfer. The GB70 ships with a USB-C cable and storage bag, balancing power, proven safety features, and everyday practicality for peace of mind on every trip. Number 2. Clore Automotive's Jump and Carry JNC770R is for users who want industrial strength and proven dependability. This lead-acid jump box delivers 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps from a Clore Performer battery engineered specifically for jump-starting applications. It's built like a professional tool. Oversized 68-inch 2 AWG welding cable leads provide exceptional reach, while power jaw clamps with alloy cores deliver robust, efficient power transfer. At roughly 23 pounds, this is a heavy-duty unit made for garages, tow trucks, and serious enthusiasts who demand extended cranking duration and numerous jumps per charge. Practical convenience features include a built-in 3-amp automatic charger to keep the unit topped up, a master on-off switch to disable clamps during transport, dual USB outlets for device charging, and a 12-volt accessory outlet for running shop tools or inflators. A 400-lumen integrated LED task light brightens night work. Clore's approach is reliability over flash. Long service life, straightforward operation, and an included repair service coupon after warranty make the JNC770R an investment-grade solution for high-use environments where failure is not an option. Number 3. Sharmeal 3000A is a budget-minded, high-output jump starter built to deliver large peak power in a lightweight package. Rated at 3,000 peak amps with a 10,000 mAh battery, it claims to start up to 9.0-liter gasoline and 7.0-liter diesel engines, making it an aggressive value choice for larger trucks and diesel rigs on a budget. Portability is a headline feature. The pack weighs under 2 pounds and features a compact, travel-friendly design that fits easily in trunks and emergency kits. The unit doubles as a portable power bank with dual USB outputs for phones and small electronics, plus a 400-lumen LED flashlight that supports steady, strobe, and SOS modes for roadside safety. Safety and usability are addressed with intelligent clamps and a 10 protection system that includes spark-proof and reverse polarity alerts, so mistakes are caught before they become problems. The Sharmeal kit includes a Type-C charging cable, a carrying case, and a 2-year warranty, impressive aftercare for a value product. If you want maximum peak clams without a big price tag, and you appreciate a simple, lightweight design with built-in protections, this unit is an attractive consideration. Number 4. GOOLOO GP3000 is a performance-oriented lithium polymer jump starter for drivers who want high cranking power and modern charging versatility. With 3,000 amps of peak output and 16,000 mAh of capacity, this pack can jump engines up to 9.0-liter gasoline or 7.0-liter diesel, while also acting as a generous power bank for devices. Its 10-layer safety architecture includes spark-proof clamps and reverse polarity alerts, plus protections for overcurrent, short circuit, and overheating, engineered so confidence comes built in. The GP3000 brings useful extras: USB quick charge ports, Type-C input, a 400-lumen LED light with SOS modes, and a 15-volt DC port capable of powering tire inflators and other 12-volt accessories. Rugged construction resists drops and abrasions, auto-sleep keeps charge for prolonged storage, and included heavy-duty clamps are tested for durability. The unit is suitable for off-road and heavy-duty use, where both high peak power and multi-device charging matter. If you want a blend of serious starting capability, multiple output options, and rugged reliability, the GP3000 is a very compelling mid-range to pro-level choice. Last but not least, Hulkman Alpha85 brings smart diagnostics, rapid charging, and professional features to the portable jumpstarter category. This 2,000-amp peak smart starter supports up to 8.5-liter gasoline and 6.0-liter diesel engines and advertises many starts per charge in real-world use. The Alpha85 stands out with a 3.3-inch smart display that shows battery level, mode, and error states, so even a novice can confirm status at a glance. Safety is covered by a 10-layer protection architecture and intelligent clamps that eliminate sparks and prevent reverse polarity. The package is designed to reduce user error under stress. The Alpha85 is built for readiness with an IP65 rated housing, multiple output ports including USB and a 15-volt DC socket, and fast charge capability that can reach about 80% with a high wattage USB-C charger. A 5-mode LED flashlight, included accessory kit, and a simple 3-step jump procedure make it practical for roadside or workshop scenarios. If you want a premium, smart, fast-charging solution with clean user feedback and professional readiness, the Alpha85 is an outstanding pick. If these jump starters have you fired up and ready to upgrade your emergency kit, smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more top product reviews that keep you ahead of the curve, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Don't forget to check the affiliate links in the description below to grab yours today. Your next adventure awaits without the worry of dead batteries. Stay powered, folks.